G'day viewers, how you doing? Back here I've had something turn up. Something I've been waiting for a little while. It's been coming from another country. And it's a training aid, of all things. Don't be rude, not that kind of training. It's it's actually the right thing. If I can get it out of here. Let's leave it out. Maybe a link address or something silly. Alright, let's get rid of that. Little black shit. So what we have in this little bag is a training steam engine. And funnily enough, it's designed to run on air rather than steam. So it looks, you know, it's basically a steam engine. It's got a reverser, which is a linked up reverser, which you can have different levels of cutoff. Now, the interesting thing about it is you can't tell from this side, can you? No. But the interesting thing is when you look at it from this side, because it actually shows you, let's get that right up there. It actually shows you the movements of the valve. So you can see when the valve's open and closed. So the thing that the valve's moving back and forth in, this part here, that bit at the top is the steam chest. And there it's letting steam, or in this case it'll be air because steam would melt this plastic, into the piston and forcing it that way. Then we go onto the exhaust stroke in the middle with both of the steam inlets blocked, which finish, and then the expansion will finish and it'll come over to the inlet for the other side and force the piston the other way. And then it'll go into exhaust at the final part of the stroke. The steam comes out and then we get the same thing happen again. Rinse and repeat. So there we go. I look forward to running this on air. It's an interesting little contraption. It doesn't seem to be too badly made, to be honest. It's not awesome, but nor is it poor. I think it's not too bad. It doesn't need to be the most exacting model in the world because it's not actually going to run on steam, but it seems to be relatively well put together, I think. And its bottom's a big casting. Looks like the whole lot is mostly sand castings that have been machined up. So I reckon that actually looks pretty good for what I paid for it. It came in from an Indian supplier who appears to be the manufacturer for the other people that sell these things. And the Indian supplier is a darn sight cheaper than the other manufacturers of this. So these are the people that actually make it versus the all the people that rebadge it as a white label thing and sell it for 3 times as much. But anyway, there we go. The little steam engine trainer. So I'll make a video of that later on running on air and show you the different features. I'm curious whether the cutoff feature will actually work. So what I mean by that, all right now it's in mid gear, and one way or the other it'll either be reverse or forwards, and the other way will either be reverse or forwards, the opposite. But what I'm curious about is with air, does a variable cutoff, and it's actually designed to not let you have a variable cutoff because it's got little dimples on here, but will a variable cutoff actually work and use less air? I kind of think no, because the whole way the variable cutoff works is when it's in full in one of the gears, it's relying on just boiler pressure for steam. Ignore that it's going to run on air. And when you bring it back towards mid-gear, it's relying on the expansion of the steam. So you're letting in much less steam, you're using much less steam, you've got less power, but you're more efficient. And it's, I'm not sure that'll actually work with air. I think the engine might actually slow down and stop if you do that on air. It's not something you're going to want to run a lot because I'm pretty sure that's Perspex, or is it glass? Oh, actually it's glass. Oh, maybe it will run on steam. It's actually a bright green glass. Maybe it's... Yeah, I might email them and see if that's armoured. Because if that's hardened glass, it actually probably will run on steam. I just assumed that would be Perspex, but no, it's glass. Very cool. That means that we're out in a hurry too. Also very cool. Alrighty, well, enjoy yourselves. Have fun, and I'll pop up a video of this later on when I am doing this. Well, if you're wondering at the t-shirt, this is from Coney Island Brewery. Sadly, gone. COVID killed it. But yeah, it used to be a really good brewery in New York, making proper beer. Doesn't anymore, sadly. But that's life. Anyway, enjoy. See ya.
We played a game.